Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to Music Foundation Level 2, Lesson 8. Today I will be reviewing melodic minor. So with A, this is how melodic minor sounds like. If you notice, ascending and descending were both different. When we ascend, it's the melodic. When we descend, it's our natural A minor scale. So we're going to start with A, second finger on B, third finger on C, thumb's going to go under to D, second finger on E. Now here we're going to raise the sixth, which is F sharp. We're going to keep that seventh raise, G sharp, and our pinky on A. To descend, we're going to go back to our natural, which was all white keys. A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And I'm going to play ascending and descending. That would be all. Please subscribe and have a great day.